Hi, in this video I'm going to take you through some of the features of the Micromax X419 dual SIM feature phone. This is a dual SIM phone. Unfortunately do not have a SIM card, so I could not show you some of the features of this particular phone because of that. But let me show you some of the other ones. Notice that currently the phone is locked. To unlock the phone, you just have to press the unlock button and star. This is a very old keypad unlocking scheme from the early days of smartphone era. So early days of mobile phone era, sorry. Smartphone is pretty recent. I'll go to settings on the menu and then go to display. Let's quickly see. I will reduce the brightness over here just a tad so that it's visible on the screen. There are also a lot of other stuff here. Let's take a look at the wallpaper selection. Let's take a look at more pictures. Okay, there are no pictures, so let's leave it here. Let's look at the static wallpaper. Let's stick to this wallpaper for the time being. Select idle display settings, time and date, sim1, sim2. So this is all the things that will do when this phone is idle. Backlight 30 seconds, keypad backlight 10 seconds. Let's increase this. Now let's keep it to night mode. And actually no, let's increase this to 20 seconds. Backlight. Let's keep the backlight always on for this particular video. What else do we have? We have a screenshot option. So settings is on, so let's check out help. Long press left soft key for screenshot images saved. Okay, so let's quickly take a look. I'm going to long press the left soft key, so let's do that. Okay, nothing seems to be happening. I don't know. I will try this again. Screenshot. It's on. Okay, I need a memory card to do that, so I can't do it without a memory card. Not a problem. What other features do we have over here? We have a multimedia section. This comes with the camera. Let's take a look at the camera. So this is basically the VGA camera. Let's quickly take a look at the options. We have an image viewer, a video mode, and an effects as well. There's a brightness contrast setting and also a white balance setting. Let's take a look at the settings. Size is 240x320. It's a VGA camera after all. Quality normal. Let's keep it to advanced. Banding is 50 Hz. Shutter sound. Let's switch it on. Okay, it'll continuous shot is disabled. So let's quickly take a photo of something. I have this camera battery over here and I'm going to take a photo of this. You heard that. This is what the photo looks like. It's a VGA camera after all. Now let me check the options. Now I have over here send, delete, set as wallpaper, and image viewer. Let me just set it as wallpaper for the time being. And so let's see if this actually works. There you go. You have a camera battery as the wallpaper on this particular phone right now. What other options do we have? Let's take a look at the games. There are 3 games over here. Okay, and that's about it. There's a file manager over here as well, where you have all your different files saved when you want to reorder them for whatever reason. And let's take a look at the phone settings as well. This is date and time. So it's currently at default, but you can schedule it or you can change it as well. And what I really want to see is the call settings. Where are the sound option, user profile? Okay, so there are user profiles as well. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are general, silent, meeting, outdoor, and headset. Let's stick to general for the time being. There's also an options here where you can now create your own profile, your own custom profile as well. And that's it. Those are some of the features of the Micromax X419 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.